What's up, YouTube? Isaac's Trade here with a little update on some DOGECOIN. Now, before I jump into this video, please remember I am not a professional. This should not be considered financial advice in any which way. This should be considered entertainment use only. Now, before we jump into this video, please consider subscribing and smashing that like button. Oh my God, look at that. The 20 days about to cross over the 200 moving day average again. It is about to run again. Yep, I was saying 2,300 hours, but it's actually doing it sooner. All right, let's jump into this. I'll look at the chart here in a minute. We're gonna do some technical analysis and some price action and price trajectory for DOGECOIN. It's been a pretty amazing day. Hopefully you guys are still holding and bought more. Okay. And a reminder that easy money prevails. Cryptocurrency rallied on Wednesday with Bitcoin up about 5% over the last 24 hours. It was trading at 57,000 at the time of writing. The second largest cryptocurrency bounced back from Tuesday's sell-off, pushing towards the all-time high of around 3,500 for Ether, ETH ticker. News that Fidelity National has teamed up with NYDIG, a crypto custody firm, to allow U.S. banks to offer customers the ability to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin contributed to bullish trading activity on Wednesday. That played a big part in it. But the big story of the day was a 53% jump over the past 24 hours in the price for Ethereum Classic ETC, born of a continuous split a few years ago from the dominant Ethereum blockchain. Bitcoin trading around 57,133 as of 2100 hours, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, gaining 5% over the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin's 24-hour range was 53,633 to 57,356. We don't care about that. We're here about the DOGE. Cryptocurrency markets are witnessing such a bull frenzy that some almost ran tokens like Ethereum Classic that were left behind during last year's rally, and Bitcoin and Ether are getting a fresh look from speculative traders and surging to previous unthinkable levels. Now everybody's getting up there. They're finally seeing the possibility and what cryptocurrency can do. We're not just talking about one. We're talking about the broad range of all cryptocurrencies and the way the network works and how it's going to revolutionize everything. It already has. It just needs to be adopted by everybody, and people just need to stop being so scared of it. I mean, look at this damn coin. I mean, it's wild. You look at this chart. This chart is just like out of control. But it looks great, though. I mean, you cannot come any technical analysis that does any kind of price action or any kind of chart analysis or whatever the heck you want to call it, and come in here and they're gonna be like, well, I mean, it doesn't look good because it just looks like unnatural. But this isn't a regular currency. You gotta understand, it's crypto. But it looks clean what's been happening. I mean, all day today was just a great day today, the way it behaved. It wasn't too volatile in a way. I mean, it's been just behaving very nice. It's just, look at how it is. It's just nice and smooth. Not like the way it was before. I remember this thing, if you guys are familiar with barcoding, I would like to say that the phrase came from this one right here, because this thing used to barcode like crazy. Like the bars were like that big. It was like half the screen. You were like, what is that? But it's looking good. I mean, if you get into a closer time frame, obviously it's not looking good. Nah, I see it still looks good right here. I like the way this looks because we obviously haven't seen, you can see the consolidation periods we've been having. It's like we did good, sold off a little bit, and then consolidated. Did good, it popped, and then of course the pullback. I don't think a lot of new investors understand that a stock has to pull, or any asset, whether it's a stock or cryptocurrency, it needs to pull back. It can't just continue to go straight up. That's crazy to think like that. I mean, it would be nice. Don't get me wrong. I mean, even though sometimes that they do behave like that, but it's, I mean, when it runs up like this, you need to expect that it's gonna have a pullback to this level. You cannot be naive and be like, well, it's never gonna drop back to that because, you know, I'm a man, I'm a dude, and, you know, I'm a real good trader or whatever you think, whatever you want to think I'm the best. No, it doesn't work that way. The chart don't give a hell who you are. See, we're getting ready to run it again. As soon as this 20-day moving average gets right above the 50-day, and RSI has been holding good right now. It's steadily climbing on up, baby. Let's see, what else do I got here? If this is your first time turning it in, please consider subscribing and smashing that like button and sharing this to somebody. And please remember, this is not financial advice in any which way. Okay, it appears to be dominated by cheaper. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Okay, let's get over some more. DOGE has increased a laughing, if it weren't true, 117-fold. Yeah, 117-fold. Laughable. You know, it's very laughable, man. But it's not. It's happening, and it's been happening. 13-fold in digital asset markets this year to value, over roughly $13 billion. It appears to be dominated by cheaper Ethereum play and retail flow that has pushed DOGE to sky-high levels. Dennis, I cannot say that name. I'm not even going to give it an attempt. Head of the research of the Synergy Capital total coin desk. Now in 2021, cryptocurrency prices are surging across the board. The doggy-themed joke token, DOGECOIN, has increased a laughable, if it weren't true. Man, that's wild. 17-fold. Yeah. Okay, well, it's not. Well, it is laughable. I still laugh about it. Oh, sorry about that. Now, we are hearing how DOGECOIN amplifies the power of the crypto network. This is a bull market like no other. We, the people, control this and determine the value of this baby. Remember that. Don't forget it. Warren Buffett and them fools don't got no control over this. Man, those guys are all like, just could keep it slow and steady, bro. You're gonna get your little 4 or 5% a year. You'll be all right. I mean, you'll retire in about 50 years. You know, don't go on too many vacations when you retire, but you know, you'll be okay. You know, wow, look at these you know, it's like, nah, bro, give me my money. Put it all on the dog money right now. Okay, I need my dog money. Yeah. Okay, I don't want no more Benjamins. Benjamin, man, it's not even cute looking at no Benjamin. Get the hell out of here with that. I want, you know, coins again. I want stuff that's actually got some kind of, where I could hold on some paper that's gonna burn up. Maybe give me some dollars right here. It's just gonna go, but I mean, really? I mean, what do I want that for? I mean, you get coin, you cannot burn coin. It's crazy, much less digital coin. Let's get another 1 minute and see. Yeah, look, she's getting ready to pop right now. There we go. Like right now, if you wanted to, right now I would be a good time to play if you want to play, you know, a quick little short-term game right now, because you're gonna probably maybe get at least penny, maybe 2 pennies if you buy now. If you buy now, I guarantee you'll get at least 2 to maybe 5, maybe a penny, maybe half a penny, yeah, I don't know, half a penny maybe. From here till about 2,300 hours. Yes, I'm gonna buy it. Let's just watch. Let me show you guys right here. Where's my phone at? Show you right now. I'm gonna buy just a little bit, and then I'm gonna sell it at 2,300 hours, so you can see that you can play this game the short side if you really want. I mean, you know, if you're gonna come in and try to, you know, I'm gonna do it like here. I'm gonna buy a little right here, $2,000. Come on, send, purchase, complete. Cool. Okay. I'll hold on to that one and see what happens. Please don't go the other way. Nah, well, it's not guaranteed though. I mean, like I said, I use technical analysis as an entry point only. There's other tools that I use for the exit strategy. Okay, I don't use none of this. I mean, a little bit, but not really. Okay. Maybe later on, if this actually goes somewhere with being here on YouTube, maybe I'll show you guys the rest of how I exit. But I mean, you shouldn't plan on exiting though. I mean, at the end of the day, when you buy any kind of asset, I don't care if it's freaking cryptocurrency. I don't care if you want to go buy some AMC. If you want what it's on you. I mean, but as long as you hold it, you're all right. It's never gonna. I mean, you're good. I mean, you gotta get somebody, man. My first account I started like 3 years ago, Robinhood account. Okay, I had I put 10 grand in it. Okay, I was doing good playing with stocks. You know, just playing regular stocks. I wasn't doing nothing crazy and anything. All right, and then all of a sudden I'm like, well, what do you mean options? I like having options. Options are good, you know. I apply. Robinhood's like, cool, run it up. I get some options and I'm doing good. You know, the first week. This is the beginning of January 2019, right before the whole lockdown happened and everything. It was like February. No, wait. No, it was December, November. It was good. December, November. It was doing good and all that. And then 3 months later, that's when the whole lockdown thing happened. And me not knowing how options work, I had a bunch of Tilray puts because I was like, I don't know why. They were already coming down at the moment because some analysts came out and they were saying it was going to go to zero. At the time, I think they were trading at $74, $75, I believe. Well, cool. They started tanking. Hell yeah, I'm in the money. And then I think I was able to exercise 2 of my options to get out of them, and I made a decent amount of money. All right. Well, a few days later, that's when the whole lockdown happened, and man, everything started selling. And then Robinhood had that one day where we couldn't even access anything because the volatility crashed the system. Oh my god, I lost so much money that day. And then the next day it opened up, and we had a quick a window of 5 minutes to 10 minutes to go on there and try to sell some stuff. But me not knowing the spreads and how you have to go in there, and if it says it's 270 and you're trying to sell it, it's not going to sell at 270. You got to go down at least 10 cents. 5-10 cents, if you want to get rid of it immediately, you know what I mean? All right, so I didn't know that. So I'm hitting it. Come on, baby. You don't want to work. Don't want to work. I saw my money go from, it was 28,000 to zero in a matter of 2 days. And I couldn't do nothing about it. I was stuck there. Man, it was worst. It was the worst. So, just play where you need to play. But on that account, there was $5 left in it. I think it was less than. It was 5 something. I don't know, 5 some change. Well, I threw it all in Deutsch, man. Hell yeah! Tell me why that account is up right now. It's at 200 and it's at 220 to 280 or something like that. I was like, what? I got 79 Deutsch, or no, not 79. I think I have almost 125 Dogecoin in that Robinhood account. And I don't think I'm just gonna leave it there because hey, there's a chance I will get my money back. That's why I'm not gonna show you my exit strategy, because you shouldn't really ever exit, because that's maybe in maybe another year, maybe in a couple months, and if this thing hits $1, I mean, that account's gonna blow up. I'll be worth some money on that one. I'm gonna be like, look it. What time does when you play the long game. I blew this one up trying to play short swing here and this. Thought I was the man. I was the best. I was going to come in and conquer the stock market. I was like, there ain't nothing to it. It's just the numbers and stuff. Bro, I got this. But I'm going to show it's just a long game. If you play the long game, you're good. And I'm going to get my money back just by playing the long game off of $5 that I invested in this damn crypto right here, Deutsch. Give it 6 months. As soon as this one runs, 6 months to a year, that account's gonna be worth some damn money, and I'm gonna be like, well, I got all my money back, so it's proof. Play the long game, baby. Don't worry about an exit. I mean, this thing's trading at 64 cents, man. I mean, when my original buy-in on Robinhood actually is 00480, okay? So I'm up 60 fucking cents over there. No, I'm up more than 60 cents because it's not even worth a penny when I bought. That's crazy. Well, let me see. Is there anything else I got? No, that's pretty much it. You know, keep an eye on Doge if you guys are still second guessing yourself about if you need to buy some or what. Stop thinking about it and just do it. Oh wait, I want to see what this one's doing. You know what I mean? Just stop thinking about it. I mean, who the hell are you asking somebody else for? Like, hey, bro, what should I do with my money? What the heck? Do you hear yourself? You're gonna be like, you're gonna ask somebody else, like, what should you do with your money? Like, come on, dude. Like, oh yeah, look at this, looks nice. I mean, a lot of new traders might be. Excuse me, real quick. I'm gonna jump into this one real quick before I end this one. RHE. I am in this play right here. I have, I think, 500. Come on, baby. Stupid thing. I hit the wrong one. Regional health right here. This one has an amazing day today. Let's see what after hours we're doing real quick. I don't know if anybody else is in there. Oh yeah. Look, it's gonna be amazing in the morning when this one opens up. Yep. Watch. This one's gonna run it. Come here, baby. Let me see. Tell me what you're working with. The bulls are back there. I bought it over here. Okay. But I mean, you can see we had this incredible run up, and then we it's $26, man. I made 16 bucks off of this one, but I didn't sell. Nothing. I held it. I was like, and I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it, baby. Yeah, because it's consolidated right here, and then it ran up, and I mean, this was gonna be one to watch. RHE, Regional Health. I'm out.